So guys, welcome to day 3 of our design challenge. Today is going to be exciting because I'll be showing you how to create this amazing birthday flyer using just your smartphone. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you have ever wanted to design something like this by yourself, then stick with me till the end of this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, first thing first, click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone. Go to image size, change your width to 1028. Beautiful. Now the next thing we need to do is for us to import the background of the design. So guys, this is the background. Click on your good icon, then go to relative size, increase it. Beautiful. Make sure you lock the background. So guys, before I go any further, I would like to give credit to the creator of this masterpiece. This amazing design was created by none other than Ibuku Oluwa. If you are familiar with any design community on Facebook, I believe that you may have interacted with his designs. He's a professional. So guys, let's continue. Now let's import the pictures of the celebrant one after the other. So guys, this is the first picture. Place it here. That reminds me, if you are joining us today, please, it is important for you to join our WhatsApp community so you can stay updated. Head over to the description of this video. You will find a link to our WhatsApp community. Do well to click on it so you can join us. Having said that, let's continue. Now stretch this image, bring it down. Okay, this is okay. So place it here. Now copy it, delete the one behind. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yes, this is okay. Now go to color filters. Let's edit the picture. Increase the brightness, then increase the contrast. Okay, then also increase the saturation a little. I believe this is good. Now let's import the second picture. So guys, this is the second picture. Flip it to the other side, then click on your good icon. Increase it a little. Okay, this is good. Copy it, delete the one behind, then place it here for now. Go to color filters, increase the saturation, increase the brightness, also increase the contrast. Beautiful. Okay, now let's import the last image. Guys, this is the last image. Let's crop this part out, then click on your good icon. Bring it down. Okay, just bring it down and place it here. You can see what I'm doing. Yes, just place it here. Okay, make sure you lock all the images. It's very important. Please, if you know that you are new here, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video on this channel, and do not forget to drop a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's import the next design element. So guys, this is the design element I'm talking about. Click on your good icon, increase it, and bring it down. You can see what I'm doing. Now let's position it in such a way that our hand will be resting on this stuff. Okay, this is beautiful. Please, I encourage you to join us in this design challenge. It will really help you in no small way. This design challenge will afford you the opportunity to compete with like-minded people. By so doing, your skill will be refined, and also you stand a chance of becoming one of the winners. That is if you complete the design challenge. So every day you are expected to post your work in the community for review, and I expect everybody to do that so that I can take note of each and every one of you. I mean those that really want to participate in this challenge. And for me to take note of you, there's some things you have to do, one of which is comment, like, and you can possibly share the video. So having said that, let's continue. Now let's edit this particular picture. Yes, go to color filters, increase the saturation, increase the brightness, also increase the contrast. I believe that you guys have seen the scoreboard for day one, the people that participated. Yes, the people that recreated day one's video. I believe you've seen their name and you've also seen their score. This is to tell you that we are serious with this design challenge. Please motivate yourself. Don't wait for an external motivation before you participate in this design challenge. I know that you're already getting tired of the challenge because it is so demanding. The truth is that graphic design is demanding, and if you really want to stand out in this industry, you have to be at your best. And the only way you can achieve that is by recreating design. You understand? By virtue of consistency, you will realize that you are now better. I don't know why I'm saying this, but I think I'm speaking to someone out there. Please don't be discouraged. Keep doing what you are doing. One day you'll be celebrated. So let's continue, guys. I want to import the flower. So guys, this is the flower. Beautiful. Now let's move it and place it here. Okay, so guys, this is okay. That reminds me, for those of you that are on Facebook, do well to follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram. Head over to the description of this video. You find the link to my Facebook page and also the link to my Instagram. I also share tips and tricks on design. Believe me, you are going to learn a whole lot if you are following all my social media handles. Do well to follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram. Now let's finish this design. The next thing we need to do is for us to duplicate. Let me lock this. Go ahead and duplicate the flower. Take it behind this shape. Beautiful. So bring it down and place it here. Yes, hope you can see what I've done. Beautiful. The next thing we need to do is for us to write her name. Her name is what? Olivia. Okay. Click on your A icon. Go to text. Click on edit. We're writing the name Olivia. Beautiful. Now go to size. Increase the size of the text. So place it here for now. And go to font. We're using a peculiar font. The name of this font is Cinera. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the names of the font in the description of this video. Don't worry. So place it here. Make sure you increase it. Okay. And place it here. Beautiful. And let's write the date of our birthday. I'm going to pause this video so I can write the date and the birthday wish. Thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the design. I'm done replicating this exceptional design. So guys, this is the design. Now for those of you that usually come to my DM to ask me for the design resources, please, you just have to watch this video till the end. It is a design challenge, so don't expect it to be easy. It is called a challenge for a reason. There is a task, a simple task that every one of you is expected to complete. And what is the task? At different intervals in the video, certain numbers will appear on your screen. Your job is to take note of each number in the order they appear. Once you are done, head over to the description of this video. You will find a link there. Go ahead and click on it. It will take you to a page where you'll be required to enter a password. Carefully type in the password you gathered from the video. Once that is done, you'll be redirected to my Google Drive, where you'll find all the images and icons I used to create this beautiful design. Make sure you download them and try recreating it yourself. Now, if you want to qualify in this design challenge, there are 2 things you must do. 2 simple rules. First of all, submit the design in the group chat for review so I can take notes of your entry. Secondly, like the video, leave a comment, and possibly share it. This will help me identify you in the comment section. Keep in mind, we'll be giving out 3 prizes: the first position, the second position, and the third position. So I would like to see you all at the top. Okay, having said that, let's continue. We're going to be editing this design in PixelLab. Go ahead and do what? Save it as project and also as image. This is good. So you can see, guys, I'm already in PixelLab and this is the design. Well, there's something I forgot to add to this design. I think I should add it now. Okay, let me take you guys to PixelLab quickly. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. This icon, click on your good icon and reduce it. I'm going to show you how to place it on our subject and move it, pick it up. Okay, bring it down a little. Beautiful. Now go to color, enable it, give it a white color. That's not all. Go to eraser, increase this other one, erase this part. Yes, carefully erase it. Then this other one, carefully erase it too. Okay, and click on your good icon. Hope you can see what I've done. Now I want you to do this yourself. I'm not going to be saving this. Now let's go and edit that design. So guys, go to tool, go to adjust, increase the brightness, then go to contrast, increase it. Okay, and go to clarity, increase it a little. Okay, and go to saturation. You can also increase it a little. Okay, I think that's all. Let me reduce my brightness a little. Okay, this is better. So guys, that's all. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for participating in the design challenge. Do well to leave a like, comment. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is Vixen Tech Global. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now.